Okay, balancing a checkbook. Okay. Basically what I'm finding is how much money do I really have? Okay, now here's what you need to do on these problems. Write these two things. Make two huge lines here and write this. Bank says I have. I say I have. Okay. Now the bank statement is 556. That's what the bank says I have. Okay. My check register is how much I say I have. Now, we do the bank first. We circle the outstanding things, okay? Circle those. The bank doesn't know. Bank does not know about these, okay? But we need to tell them, okay? So when I write a check, so I put these under the bank, okay? Because they're the ones who don't know it. All three of those values go here. Now, these are checks. The checks I minus, because when I write a check, I minus, but a deposit I plus, okay? And then I do the math. So 556 minus 2450 minus 215 plus 350. And I got 666.5, so that's $666.50. Now that's close to what I say I have. But I don't know about the service charge, so this service charge I don't know about. So I put that with mine, so 5.50, and I minus that because the service charge is minus. So 672 minus 5.50. And that's 666.5. So these are the same now. So these are the two. That's the answer. Okay, now let's look at this one. So I make these lines. So bank says, and I say. Okay. Now the bank, $13,450 because it's the bank. Cross it out after you write it. I am my check register, so $12,538.59. Now anything outstanding, that's what my bank doesn't know about, okay? So I write these numbers, 69.95, 83.84, 90.12, 475, and 200, okay? And those are all checks. Checks, they're all checks, so they're all minused, okay? And there were no deposits, so there's not going to be anything we add. So I take 13,450 minus 69.95 minus 83.84. We got to go slow because we don't want to make a mistake. Minus 90.12 minus 475 minus 200. I got $12,531.09, okay? So $12,531.09. That's close to what I say, but I don't know about the service charge, so I put 7.50 and minus, okay? So 12,538.59 minus 7.50. Okay, so $12,531.09, so they match up. Okay, so those are my answers. Okay, let's do one more. Bank statement. Ooh, we have a negative here, okay? Here's what a negative means. Negative means I don't have any money, and I have spent more than I have, okay? Negative means I don't have any money and I have spent more than I have. Okay, so that's an issue. It's not a big deal. I do the same thing though. Bank says, we've got to write small here. I say. Okay, so the bank is $425. I have negative 156.50. Well, the outstanding things, here's what we have, okay? We have 250. We've got 25.50. We've got 30. And we've got 500. Now I've also got the 220, so 220. Man, that's small. Now the checks are minus. When I write a check, I'm spending money, so I minus it. But then that deposit right there, that's a deposit. That means it adds to how much I have. So I take 425 minus 250 minus 2550 minus 30 minus 500 plus 220. Negative 160.5. So that's negative $160.50. Okay. Now, that's close to this. That's even lower than this, okay? But my service charge, I need to subtract that. So I take negative 156.50 and subtract 4. I got negative 160.50, and these are my answers, okay? Now, you can I want you to practice these two. These are not different problems, but it says an item that was priced at $19 on sale for 30% off, find the new price. So remember what we do percents. You got 19 off, that's going to be minus, okay? And to find what we minus, I take 30% of 19. Now we got to divide that by 100. I got 0.3. So I'm going to take 0.3 times 19. 5.7. So I'm going to subtract $5.70. So 19 minus 5.70 is 13.3. So that's $13.30. Okay, an item that was priced at $210 marked up 20%. Find the new price. So now it's up, so I take 210 plus, and we want to find 20% of $210. So 20 divided by 100 is 0.2. Then we times 0.2 times 210 is 42. Then I add, and that's 252.